So this question asked you to write a one-tailed alternate hypothesis for the ink scenario. And so it's got it on the mark scheme here. There will be a significant difference in the number of words correctly remembered, with more words printed in green ink being remembered than those printed in black ink. So it's got to be, oh, there's another example there, more words presented for learning printed in green ink will be remembered than words presented in black ink. It's got here that the use of the word significant is not necessary for full marks. I'd be careful with that one because sometimes they don't put that on the guidance section of the mark scheme, so some examiners might kind of not realise that and maybe discredit you or whatever. Sometimes it gets picked up, sometimes it doesn't. So just make sure that you put it on anywhere. So the word significant really should be in there, because you said it will be a significant difference and not a difference because of chance. You need to be putting in the black and green ink. So you're basically going to mark for saying that it's going to be a difference. You're going to mark for mentioning the variables, and you're going to mark for operationalising them. In fact, this one's slightly different because you haven't got that operationalisation on there. Well, you've got the black and you've got the green, that probably counts as the operationalisation. With memory, you can't operationalise it, they haven't told you how, so you just kind of make reference to the memory or the number of words presented in learning, something like that. So that will get you the marks. If you write the word relationship, you get nothing. If you write a two-tailed, you get nothing. If you write a null, you get nothing. If you put on the end and any difference will be due to chance, you'll get nothing. So you've got to write it like that. And it also says it that way around as well, that the green ink is affecting the black ink, because if you actually look at the scenario, it says helps to improve it compared to black, so it has to be that way around as well for you to get the mark.